What happens if you eat papaya every day? Papayas are a popular tropical fruit enjoyed worldwide for their unique flavor and versatility in dishes. They can be added to salads and desserts, eaten raw or cooked in various recipes like stews and stir-fries. However, the many health benefits of papayas are often overlooked. Dubbed as the king of fruits, papaya is an excellent superfood with a range of health-boosting properties. In this video, we will delve into 9 benefits of papaya that you may not know about. So, let's explore the many ways papaya can support your health and well-being. 1. Loaded with nutrients. Although originally from Central America, papaya is now cultivated in tropical regions worldwide. With a sweet taste and juicy texture when ripe, papayas are available year-round in many grocery stores and supermarkets, but are most abundant in late summer through early fall. Papayas contain papain, an enzyme that helps to digest protein, as well as vitamins A, C, and E, potassium, and folic acid. The seeds of papaya have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat digestive problems such as heartburn and ulcers, fever, respiratory infections, and malaria. The beta-cryptoxanthin present in papaya can strengthen the immune system by fighting infections such as influenza and colds. Eating this tropical fruit can also boost levels of interferon, a protein produced by white blood cells that combats viruses and bacteria. 2. Improves digestion. Papaya is recognized for its ability to promote regular bowel movements, thanks to its natural laxative properties that aid digestion by breaking down food quickly. The papain enzyme present in papayas can assist in breaking down proteins in food, making it easier to digest and pass stools naturally, without the need for laxatives or enemas. Papaya is also a rich source of fiber, which helps regulate the digestive system and prevent constipation that can lead to hemorrhoids or diverticular disease. Moreover, it can reduce cholesterol levels by up to 10%. However, excessive intake of papain may cause diarrhea by overstimulating the intestines. It is essential to consult a doctor to determine if papaya is beneficial for you. Papayas can also act as diuretics by increasing urine production, which helps flush out excess fluids from the body and prevent bloating and water retention, common with other fruits such as bananas. 3. Might fight inflammation. For centuries, papaya has been used in India to treat conditions like ulcers, diarrhea, and dysentery due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Today, it is still commonly used in traditional medicine to treat inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, bronchitis, and urinary tract infections. Papaya is also utilized in the production of cosmetic products like soaps and shampoos. A recent study published in the Journal of Food and Function tested the anti-inflammatory effects of papaya on rats with rheumatoid arthritis. The researchers found that the rats treated with papaya showed reduced inflammation and less joint damage. However, further research is needed to determine if papaya can offer the same benefits for humans. 4. Improves heart health. Papaya is a rich source of vitamins A and C, which play an important role in preventing heart disease by reducing inflammation in the body. In addition, it helps prevent atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the buildup of cholesterol on the walls of arteries, causing them to narrow and harden over time. Papaya's high antioxidant content helps remove this buildup from the artery walls. Vitamin C is especially helpful in preventing oxidation of low-density lipoprotein, a process that leads to atherosclerosis. A study involving 45 adults, aged 45 or older, who had been diagnosed with high blood pressure and were on medication for at least 3 months, showed promising results. The participants were randomly assigned to follow a low-fat diet, a low-carbohydrate diet, or a low-carbohydrate diet supplemented with half a papaya per day. After 3 months, researchers found that eating half a papaya per day increased antioxidant levels in the blood and decreased high blood pressure. 5. Has anti-cancer properties. Papaya is rich in antioxidants, which can protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This, in turn, can prevent cells from becoming cancerous. Papain, an enzyme found in papaya, is believed to be responsible for the fruit's anti-cancer properties. It breaks down proteins in the body, including those that form a barrier between healthy cells and cancerous cells. Research has shown that papaya may be effective in fighting prostate cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, and colon cancer. Additionally, it can aid in managing conditions such as arthritis and diabetes by reducing inflammation in the body. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that daily consumption of papaya helped prevent stomach ulcers caused by Helicobacter pylori, a type of bacteria that can lead to ulcers and stomach cancer. 6. Protects against skin damage. According to studies, papain found in papayas has multiple uses including tenderizing meat and cleaning cuts and scrapes. It functions by breaking down proteins into smaller components. This study indicates that it not only works on meat and cuts, but also on collagen present in the skin. Collagen is a protein that provides strength and elasticity to the body's tissues and is present in connective tissues like tendons, ligaments, cartilage, bone, and skin. As we age, collagen breaks down, causing wrinkles and loss of skin elasticity. The more wrinkles present, the faster collagen is broken down, leading to even more wrinkles. Researchers examined the effects of papain on human skin cells taken from hair follicles, observing it under a microscope to determine if it could break down collagen fibers in these cells. They discovered that when papain was added to these cells, it broke down their collagen fibers, suggesting that papaya may possess anti-aging properties. 7. Has powerful antioxidant effects. Papaya is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, A, and E, and beta-carotene, which play a vital role in protecting the body from free radicals. These antioxidants help fight against the onset of various severe diseases. Vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods like spinach and broccoli. Additionally, it may help prevent age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss among older adults. Papaya also contains polyphenol compounds, which serve as potent antioxidants, helping to prevent cellular damage and protect against DNA damage that can lead to cancer development. 8. Stimulates hair growth. Studies suggest that papain, an enzyme found in papaya, may have the potential to treat hair loss. While studies in mice and rats have shown that topical application of papain can stimulate hair growth, there is a lack of human studies to support this claim. Papaya is rich in essential vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair growth, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp by moisturizing it and promoting the production of sebum, a natural oil that helps keep the scalp clean and free from dandruff. Iron is a component of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body, including to hair follicles, ensuring maximum hair growth and nutrient delivery. Papaya also contains vitamin B9, which plays a crucial role in DNA synthesis and cell division, both essential processes for healthy hair development. 9. Helps reduce stress. As we age, we become more vulnerable to stress, which can stem from various factors such as work, family, and financial issues. Consequently, many individuals seek ways to alleviate their stress levels. One effective solution is to incorporate papaya into your diet, as it is considered one of the best foods to consume when you're feeling overwhelmed. Studies reveal that individuals with lower cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone, experience less anxiety and depression compared to those with higher cortisol levels. Therefore, if you're searching for a means to relax after a long and stressful day, try increasing your papaya consumption. Papaya is not only an excellent source of enzymes but also offers various health benefits, including aiding in the treatment of certain cancers, digestive issues, and even AIDS. While papaya cannot replace your daily multivitamin, its health properties make it a valuable addition to your diet. The next time you crave something sweet, don't hesitate to indulge in the delectable papaya fruit. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.